guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I've been checking out Creative Fabrica a lot lately, and they have some pretty cool stuff. So I'll leave a link below if you're interested in trying out Creative Fabrica. If you sign up for Creative Fabrica with the link below, you'll only pay $1 for the first month and then $19 a month, which is a 35% discount. So that's pretty cool. And they have over 5 million designs and unlimited download access. So, and it's for both personal and commercial license included. So just to let you know, if you're interested and you want to try it out, click below. I just downloaded this alphabet letters cube, and I thought it'd be super cute. My favorite word, super cute, to do like a little baby theme. So I'm going to spell out baby and the alphabet cubes. But what's so cool about this is you can do so many different things. You can do birthdays, you can do names, you can just do so much with the cube. So I'm excited to do this project today. So the first thing I did was I downloaded the SVG to my desktop, and then I uploaded it to Canvas. And if you need help with that, all I did was I would just click on upload, upload image, browse, and you go to wherever it is you saved your image, and then you attach it. And that's it. I make this a little bit smaller so you can see everything on one screen. So all I did was I downloaded the alphabet, like I said, and it's literally the alphabet, A through Z. So you do have to download each individually. And then I just uploaded baby, B-A-B-Y. Okay, so I'm also going to show you what you can do if you want to put like a solid color inside the cube, because I'm going to go ahead and do that for this project as well. So the first thing that you will do is select, well, let me start back. The first thing you do is make a duplicate, so you're not using, one of the cubes that you want to print. Okay, so we just hit duplicate, and then I'm going to select contour, hide all contour, and close it. So now I have the exact box, but it is solid. So I'm going to go ahead and make it white. And then this is the measurements that I did. So I'm going to make it just a tad bit smaller. And that is what I'm going to put inside the cube. Okay, so then the next thing we want to do is add the score lines. And since if you click here, it won't let us ungroup it and copy the score lines, we're going to have to make our own. So what we need to do is go into Shapes and insert the line. And let's just kind of put it right here. And I am going to drag it all the way down. And we're going to go ahead, click on that again. And that's a score. So we're going to go ahead, duplicate, and drag this one right there. I'm going to select this and hit attach. And then I'm going to go ahead and do another shape. And let's turn this. Okay, and we will hit duplicate. And we're going to do this one. Duplicate again. And again. And two more. And then we're going to select it all again and hit attach. Sometimes they go behind. So let's go ahead and put that back and put send to back. So then we can see that one. And let's do a send to back to get the other ones. Okay, and now select those and hit attach. And then we're going to go ahead and let me turn my Cricut machine on. Okay, then all we are going to do is click on Make It on the mat, confirm. So we're going to hit Continue. And I'm going to do cardstock for intricate cuts. And then that's it. And something that I noticed is I had an old tool, the fine point cut tool, just the basic tool and it kept ripping the cardstock. And so I just purchased a new fine point tool. It's just the blade to replace it. And let me tell you, it makes such a big difference. So if you have the same issue I do, where you notice that the paper's ripping, that could be one of the reasons, because they say you need to use like a new, sharper blade. So just wanted to throw that out there. So let's go ahead and get it cut and let's get started. Okay, so I have 4 of these and 4 of the white, and all I did was fold them on the score lines. So I did that on both the pink and the white. So you're just folding on the score lines and you'll see all those. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the pink. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to use clear gel tacky glue for this, and I'm going to use a popsicle stick. So let's go ahead, and we have this folded. So the first thing I'm going to do is place a little of the tacky glue right here, and I'm going to place this on here. You want to make sure it lines up. And then I'm going to use the popsicle stick and just kind of help it stick. And just again, make sure you're lined up. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to attach this to here. So let's go ahead and do here as well. So I'm going to line this up right here, and I'm going to just turn this upside down and just use the popsicle stick just to help it adhere better. Okay, and then we're going to do the same here and just keep applying the glue and just keep folding it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to place the glue here. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this up, have it align, and then I like to turn it upside down really quick, kind of like you're making a cardstock purse. I don't know if you've seen my video. It's basically the same thing. You're just lining it up, and you fold that over, and okay, so now we have that. So we have to do this part right here. So we're going to apply the glue. And just kind of tuck this under here. Okay. And again, line it up and use the popsicle stick. Okay, so we have this, and all we have to do is to fold this in and glue this. But we are going to put the white box inside. So let's set this aside, and let's go ahead and do the exact same thing that we just did to the pink to the white. So let's go ahead and apply the glue. And you don't really need a lot of this tacky glue. It works really nice. It sticks pretty good. Okay, and now we're going to do here. Okay, and now we're going to place it here. Just make sure it lines up, and then turn it over. And here. And we're going to go ahead and glue this here as well. And let's see real quick how it folds. Which actually, you know what? We don't need to do that. We don't need to glue that last. Okay, so we just folded it. And I'm just going to place this over in here. Okay? And then we can go ahead and we can just fold it like this. And then I think what I will do is, I think I will just put a little bit of glue here. Let's go ahead and put a little bit here. I don't think that we need to necessarily do glue all the way around. So let's just kind of apply it this way. Let's make sure it sticks. Okay, and if you want to put glue in here, you can. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and apply a little bit of glue here. Here. Okay. And we're going to do a little bit here. So, isn't that so cute? That was so easy. So let's continue and do the other ones. So again, we're going to grab the pink. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of just work your way, you know, to from one side to the other, which you'll start on this side. Line it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the smash button below. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.